Hey guys, and welcome back. I know there's been a major dry spell of videos on the channel, but it's time to show you guys what I've been up to. This is just going to be a quick video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So for the last couple months, I've been swapping a Ford V8 into my drift car. It's a 5.0 out of a Mustang, and I've got a 5-speed behind it, and no one makes anything to put that into a 240SX chassis. So what I've been doing for the last couple months is making everything to do that. We're not going to run through everything today, but I am going to make a video documenting pretty much everything I had to do to swap that into my car in case any of you guys want to do the same. Right now, I'm going to show you guys the car, show it to you running so you can hear it, know that it works, but my main problem right now is my transmission. The guy who sold it to me didn't tell me that 3rd, 4th, and 5th gear synchros are completely toast, and reverse gear is pretty much shattered in there. So I only have 1st and 2nd, which isn't making it too enticing to drive it on the road. So we're going to R&R the transmission, but not today. I just wanted to show you guys what's been going on because it's been a major lack of video on the channel. Alright, let's go see the car. Alright guys, please excuse the car being extremely dirty because it hasn't been washed in 3 months, but this is what we have going on here. So this is a Ford 5.0 out of a 94 Mustang that has a T5 5-speed manual transmission behind it out of a 2001 Mustang. This is using pretty much as much of the 240SX as I could, including the fuel system. I adapted the power steering down to my own power steering rack. It's running an MSD ignition box and my own entire wiring setup. This thing sounds great, but the exhaust was such a freaking pain to get into this car. Alright guys, as you can see, it's running, so I'm going to show you around real quick while it's on. Alright, let's rev it a little. Sounding good though. Alright guys, well that's all for this video. I'm going to make another follow-up pretty soon, but I hope you guys like the V8 240 as much as I do. I'm going to get this thing on the road as soon as I possibly can so I can start shredding and making more content for you guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and if you guys would like and subscribe to the video, I would love it, and it would motivate me a ton to do more videos for you guys like this in the future. I'll see you guys next time.